Welcome aboard the stunning Disney Wonder. My name is Taylor and today we'll be exploring a standard inside stateroom and covering everything you need to know to prepare for your next cruise. But before booking, be sure to contact the Vacationeer for bonus onboard credit on top of what Disney already offers. In addition to exclusive rates, group cruises, and more. Reach out today to see what you're missing and secure the best value in cruising. Now without further ado, let's dive right in and tour the room. As you enter the stateroom, you'll find a wall of storage on one side, and on the other you'll see the lighting controls as well as the entrance to the bathroom. Inside you'll find a sink with a backlit mirror and a hairdryer with an integrated two-prong shaver plug. Although storage options are somewhat limited, there's open storage below the backlit mirror and under the sink. This category also features a shower tub combo with an adjustable shower wand and a good-sized tub for families, as well as daily refreshed amenities and a clothesline that pulls across to dry your suits. Outside the bathroom, you'll find the primary storage for the room. On one side, you'll find full-length hanging storage. The opposite side features more hanging storage, the room safe, additional shelving down below, as well as a shelf up top to store other items away. Set around the corner is a full-size mirror and the temperature control for the room, and the living area includes a large sofa, a Pullman-style bed that pulls down, as well as a large desk area with additional drawers and open storage. Sleeping up to 4 passengers, you would have 2 on the queen bed, 1 on the couch bed, and 1 on the Pullman. To provide separation for the sleeping areas, this room features a heavy privacy curtain. Across from the couch, there's ample storage, a desk area that doubles as a vanity with a complimentary hairdryer, a backlit vanity, and several outlets including Euro, 3 US plugs, 2 combo plugs, and 2 USB. The desk area also includes multiple drawers and a beverage cooler. Set at the edge of the desk is a flat panel smart TV with a wide variety of free on-demand content including Disney, Pixar, Marvel, and Star Wars movies, along with Disney Channel, Junior shows, ABC, and ESPN. They also provide ship-specific channels with daily schedules, port adventure previews, a bridge cam view, and guest activity highlights. The bedroom area features a queen-size bed topped with a premium plush Eurotop mattress, which sits on an elevated platform with plenty of room to tuck your bags or large items away. The bed is flanked by 2 small side tables with drawers to tuck small items away, reading lamps, and 2 US plugs. These entry-level staterooms are a great economical option, but if you want to check out the ocean view or veranda staterooms on board, we have tours of those categories on our channel for you to check out. As we all know, the stateroom is just one part of the onboard experience. With a variety of included entertainment, specialty restaurants, and upgrades, there's something for everyone on board the Disney Wonder. And to help you get more from your cruise, the Vacationeer offers exclusive onboard credit deals that you won't find when booking directly with the cruise line. Contact the Vacationeer today to get the best value in cruising. If you love this tour, we have an absolute treasure trove of Disney Cruise Line videos, high-end resort tours, and incredible Disney vacation content right here on the channel for you to explore. Do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe so you never miss an adventure, and share this video with all your favorite Disney friends who are ready to set sail. This is Taylor with the Vacationeer. Adventure is calling. I'll see you at the next stop.